Hi, how you doing? This is Side and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about the single most important metric in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, but first I want to mention a relevant quote that is relevant to this video from a gentleman named Marcus Lemonis. Okay, he's a multi-billionaire and star of the hit TV show The Profit on CNBC, and if you haven't watched this program, it's a very good program, and you can learn a lot from it. Okay, it's about business. Okay, but anyway, what it says is that if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business. Okay, so in affiliate marketing, when it comes to numbers, one specific number or metric, shall we say, that is of utmost importance is earnings per click. Okay, or EPC for sure. Okay, so earnings per click is simply the average earnings that you're earning for every click per click to your offer or campaign. So this important metrics helps you to calculate your cost, earnings, and profits from your marketing efforts and campaigns. EPC is a metric that you must learn and apply in your campaigns and promotions because it could save you money and it could make you money, especially on your paid advertising. Okay, so EPC is calculated as the following. Okay, so commissions earned, what you earn on commissions, total commissions earned divided by number of clicks equals earnings per click. Okay, so let's look at a simple example scenario to demonstrate the use of EPC. So for example, you promote a product that is $500 cost to your customer, and you earn commission of 40% on the $500 product. Okay, so which means you earn $200 commission for every sale. Okay, so you send, let's say, 200 clicks to this offer that you've set up your offer campaign, and you send 200 clicks to your offer, which is costing you around $2 per click. So from this campaign you make 4 sales, from which the commissions earned is $800. Okay, so 4 sales times 200, of course, is $800 gross commissions earned. So here's the calculation of EPC for this offer. So for $800 commissions divided by 200 clicks, which gives us $4 EPC. Okay, so in this scenario, your earnings per clicks for this offer is currently at $4. Okay, now that we know our EPC, not EPS, sorry, EPC is $4. So I'll just correct that. It's not EPS, it's EPC. So now that we know that our EPC is $4, we can calculate our net EPC by subtracting the cost per click from the earnings per click. So net profit or loss, etc., equals earnings per click minus cost per click, or EPC minus cost per click. So in this example, we know our cost per click was $4, so our net profit would be $2 per click. So that's $4 earnings per click minus $2 cost per click. That gives us $2 per click net profit. So as you can see, we've calculated and found out that this particular campaign clearly appears to be a profitable campaign. Okay, thanks to applying the EPC metric, we can now improve this campaign by optimizing and scaling up. In this example scenario, think about this. If you're earning $2 profit for every $2 you put in advertising, how much would you spend on advertising? Definitely would spend more money, right? You can pump as much money ad budget as you can in this campaign, because you're earning profit. For every $2 you're earning $2 profit. So remember this, earnings per click could be the single most important metric, is the single most important metric in your affiliate marketing business, as it gives you a realistic average figure on how much you're earning for every click, and will determine if you're profitable or not. So depending on your EPC, you can make adjustments on your campaigns. You can scale up or even stop campaigns, especially on the low EPC offers. Okay, so what I get most fascinated and excited about EPC is that once you know your numbers in a campaign and they look positive in terms of profitability, for example, this example scenario that we looked at, then using this data, you can work out roughly how many clicks you need to reach a specific income level. Of course, there's no guarantee or certainty that the campaign will continue to be profitable or work out exactly as a previous campaign, because there are many factors that could affect it, such as cost of advertising, market saturation, and also, conversion rates on sales pages being very low as they are. Okay, so it's loads of factors affect it, but EPC is a reliable method that can help you measure the performance of a campaign and whether it's providing you a positive return on investment on ad spend or not. Okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please subscribe, like and comment. And if you'd like some free affiliate resources on building your affiliate marketing business, please visit affiliateship.com/free. Thanks for watching and see you next time.